Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some Cowboy Butter Salmon steaks. So let me get started. In this bowl I have 4 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Okay, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, and 1 teaspoon onion powder. And 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now, I'm not adding salt to this nor pepper because I have added salt and pepper to my salmon steaks, and I'll show you those in a few minutes. There's one other ingredient I will add to this. I would say a pinch of erythritol. Okay, that goes in there. Okay, I'm gonna mix up the butter with the spices and herbs. That looks good. You can use this butter on your broccoli. Yep, you can make some cowboy broccoli, mushrooms, whatever you want to use it on. It's good on anything. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. That's the oil I usually use for high heat. I usually use this for high heat. And sometimes coconut oil. So you know, I did add a little lemon juice to the butter. I'll go ahead and add the salmon to the pan. Notice the skin on it, but if you don't like eating the skin, it will come off after you cook the salmon. 3 of them to go in this pan. It's a small pan after the larger pan, but it'll work. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on the skin side for about 6 minutes. The salmon is cooking about 6 minutes. So I'm gonna start adding some butter to the top of it. On your steak. Cowboy butter you can add to your steak. It goes with almost everything. Add a little top to this pan here. Then on the top, so I'm going to just add this paper to it. Okay, I just uncovered the salmon. It's still on the skin side, and it's really ready. Look at the side of it. The side of it is ready, so I'm going to cut the eye off here. Okay, see, it's ready, juicy, and full of that delicious butter. And you see that red part, that's the paprika that's showing through. But it's ready to eat. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.